Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in about 2 minutes, so I will pause the recording software for now, and I will be back when I find an opportunity. I have an order at 41.20 here for a call. It's close for a second. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 45.70 for a call. Yeah. I was looking for a slight little move down below that yellow line, but in hindsight, I should have just played that yellow line as it bounced right off it. All right, I'll keep an eye on it. Have an order at 45.10. I adjusted it down. I might move it up though, and we'll see how it acts right around this area here. Okay, moved it down to 44.70. I'll pause, but keep a close eye on it. Okay, maybe here. I got close. I was on the best bid, just didn't get filled. Let's try 44.30. All right, at this point, I'm just going to reassess, and there we go. I like that a lot. What is that? There we go. Okay, looking for that blue line as the entry point. Let me change strike prices a bit. So what is that? That's slightly below 45.50. There we go. I'm going to come down just a little bit more. Oh, it was on best bid. It would not fill me though. There we go. In at 45.50. Okay, I'm going to try for one here at 42. Got that. Have an order at 41 to take out one of my contracts. Got that out. Yeah, well, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, in hindsight, I should still be holding. Granted, would I be saying that I had the thing come back down? Now, the first one I sold at 44, that was fine. I have no problem with that at all. But that second one, yeah, I needed to be holding, and I should still be holding. Even if it had come back down, I should have still held and gave it a chance. And had I given it a chance, that's exactly why, because I could have gotten another good chunk out of it. But that was ridiculous. Look at this on the 5-minute time frame. And I thought that blue line was going to be beautiful, and it just kept going. Granted, it recovered, and that's why I still liked it. I mean, I had no problem adding to it, given the nature of what I thought was, okay, yeah, that thing's... Wait, I just grabbed the wrong one. I'm messing up my chart, or my... There we go. All right. Well, that was a bad trade. Bad trade as now good trade. I'm glad I added, but not a good trade in the sense of I needed to let that last one work for me. All right, I will pause. Have an order at 41.50 here for a put, and I'm in. And at 41.50. See what it wants to do here. This one. All right, so out of that one for a break even. Oh, I got in at 41.50. For some reason, I thought I was in there at. For some reason, I thought I was in at 42, and I was very confused because I kept looking like, how am I still at just break even at 42? So, well, I'm glad I got it anyways because it's coming up through there. Yeah, I gave that thing plenty of time to come back down. It didn't, and I'm glad I got it where I did. Granted, I thought I was actually going to be losing $50 on it. So, in a weird way, pleasant surprise. I don't know if you caught it, but I said, and I broke even because I didn't quite catch that, but all right, well, I can, and I will try again if it wants to come up a bit more. And I am doing options. If you have no idea what I mean by options, let me know in the comment section. Just put option guide, and I will link you to a free class I put together called The Big Basics of Options. I approach them in a very simplistic way. I know options have a reputation of being very complicated, and they can be made that way, but they don't have to be made that way. Like I said, I approach them in a more of a simple way. So if that's how you like to approach things, then that free class will definitely help you out. So like to just comment below guide or whatever, option guide, and I will link you to it. All right, I will pause. All right, gonna go for put here at 46.50. Maybe I was a bit too slow. See if it wants to go back up there. I'll go ahead and pause. All right, gonna go for one here at 45.50. Got that. A put, that is. So just $50 on that one. I need to get my feet underneath me here. The past two trades have not gone very well at all. More from a mechanical standpoint, me losing track of what I even got in at. The first one, me really truly needing to hold that last one. So this one just wanted to bring it back. If anything, that was more of a confidence booster one. Now this will probably be the one that rolls over and crashes. And I had a put, which would, again, depend on how much of a beginner you are, that would be a good thing from a put standpoint if prices go down. But like I said, I just wanted so yeah, let's see, 501. Very good. So if this thing wants to come up to right around this area here, I'd be interested. But for now, I'll just keep my distance. But there we go. Very anticlimactic, good confidence boosting $50 trade. Have an order at 38.70. Got close for a second. See if it wants to try again. I'm in at 38.70. and out for another quick $50. Let's try again. Now up at that level right there. Let's make it. So if another move wants to come up, I will be ready for it up at that level. But another very nice, quick $50 move. So I feel like I'm getting back in the groove here again. I will go ahead and pause. All right, gonna go for put here at 38.50, and I got that. And took out $100 scalp on that one. Very good. I will go ahead and pause. And with that, I'm going to go ahead and call it good. It's 11:02, so 90 minutes in, up $250 with commissions. I don't know, call it 235-ish, 240-ish. And for how I started, very rough on the day. Very pleased with how I ended. And you know, as a side hustle, I don't even know what the hourly breakdown is at. Well, let's just, you know, just for simplicity's sake, let's say that it was actually 2 hours, just because I'm not smart, I can't do the math. But at 2 hours, I can do that math. So let's say, granted, it was only 90 minutes. Well, now I'm getting. Let me pull out a calculator quick. All right, so because here's proof. You don't have to be smart to be a trader, okay? So I with commissions, let's just call it 235 divided by 1.5. So there you go, $157 an hour. I will take that. More than pleased with that. And as somebody that has multiple streams of income, I am, that's what I'm after. Now, I realize that I'm not going to be able to go buy a Lamborghini or private jet with that, but that's not why I'm doing day trading. I do day trading as one of many streams of income because I want the freedom of time. Now, if you want the Lamborghini, then I hope you go out and get that. Go for it. But for me, where I'm at in life, you know, dad of 6 kids, and my oldest is only 11. I want to spend time with them. I want to just have freedom. I want to work on my real estate investing. I want to work on the teaching business at claytrader.com. So on that note, go check out claytrader.com if you want to learn more about this stuff. But I do it for the freedom of time. And you know, that's everybody's goal is going to be different. And that's why for me, if I can put $156 in my pocket for an hour's worth of my time, that is a rate worth it for me. Maybe not for you if you're after the Lamborghini, but for me, when I have you know, multiple other streams of income coming in, that is by far worth my time. So that is all I have for you. And do you have multiple streams of income? If you do, let me know some of those down below. I always like to surround myself with others that are bringing in multiple streams for themselves, because every wealthy person I've ever studied has several streams of income. But that is all I have. So started off rough, built up the confidence, then ended there with a nice quick $100 sniper shot. So I'm very pleased with that. And sometimes that's what you got to do. Admit, you're not quite right. Build up some confidence and then go from there. So thanks for hanging out. Take care and have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.